Hi everyone, Angie Hunt here. I'm in the LDRS studio and I am so excited to show you what we've got coming up on HSN November 6th. That date is coming up really quick, so make sure you mark your calendars. We don't have the times just yet, but as soon as we have them, we'll get them posted for you. But at least mark your calendar for November 6th, HSN. You're going to look for us, LDRS, Little Darlings. I've been having a really tough time keeping this one under wraps. Everybody loves Winnie. I love Winnie. But we've got something really special. And here, let me show you one at a time. Do you like paper piecing? Do you like working with dies? Do you remember what it was like when you were doing paper dolls when you were a little girl? Well, this is paper dolls made easy and fun, and it's with Winnie. So let me show you the first one. This one is Winnie. This is Miss Pretty. And this is called Winnie Die-licious. Look at that. Look how sweet she is. She's so beautiful, but guess what? You get to make her however you want. Look at that. Look at all of these dies. You get to piece her together. You get to decide what color hair she's going to have, skin type, her clothing. Is she going to be in a dress that's pink or purple or blue? And there's all those little accessory pieces that come with this as well. This one is Miss Pretty. We've also got Puppy Princess. Look at that for the dog lover in you. I love this. Look at all of these dies that come in here. Look how much fun. Way up here, that's the puppy, and that's all the little pieces of the dog. You can make the dog whatever color you want. Look at that leash. Look how cute that is. It is just the sweetest. I love her. Love her, love her. And then this one is called Gift for You, where she is actually delivering a personalized gift to your door. How cute, how cute. I love her. Look at that. You're gonna see how these work when we're actually doing the show, and we're gonna have tutorials on these too. It's just so much fun. It's so easy. But this one up here, for example, that is gonna be for the background of her hair, and this one is for the top of her hair. Look at that, how you piece them together so you have the under color there, so you can make it a little bit darker if you want. And we've got the over color here. How cute. You can put a little headband on her. We're not done. Check this one out. You're going to also get to work with these super scenes. Look how cool. I love these. They're so much fun. This one here, I'm going to turn it this way. You'll see this is clouds. If you want to make that water, you can make it water. Do whatever you want. We got the tree. We've got clouds in the sky. We've got the sun here. Oh, these could be hills as well. They could be hills and clouds. Whatever you want to make them. It's incredibly versatile. So much fun. We're not done yet. Look what else you're going to get. Look at all these papers. These papers are custom designed to work with these dies. It's not to say that you can't use other papers in your collection, but these are special. I want to show you why. First of all, you're going to get an assortment of colors that you can use for hair and for skin. But notice how these papers are divided. You get more than one color choice on a piece of paper because the parts are little. The dies, when you create all these little pieces for Winnie, they're going to be little, so you're not going to be using up a lot of the paper each time. And then look back here. We have all different colors for skin and for hair. We have got, what else is here? Oh my gosh. Look at these when you get into the patterns and the different colors. We have a whole rainbow of colors here. Look at this, is actually divided into 4 different color choices in there as well as patterns. Let me see if I can get that in there for you. So you can see the different textures on there for all the different, you know, for hair, for skin, for clothing, for the dog. Oh, we've got the gray here if you wanted a gray dog. I almost forgot to show you that one. Beautiful purples and pinks. And we've got this red in the background and blue and green for your grass, for your trees. I could go on and on and on, but let me show you. I think that's the easiest way. Watch. Look at that. See the layers? See all those pieces? You just have to put them together. Super easy with a little bit of, you know, whatever your favorite adhesive is. Look at this. This is just whatever pattern paper you want to put in the background, you can do that. Here's the fence. We used that twice, that gorgeous, gorgeous tree. And look at that. We used that It's like a green, like kind of a plaid or a check that we use for the tree, but you could use that for clothes if you want. Isn't she adorable? Oh my goodness, I almost forgot to mention this. Look at, where is it? Look at her face. You see her face? You get to decide which face you want to put on her, because each one of these comes with a different stamp. See that stamp up in the corner there? You've got one right up here. That's a different expression. Each one of these has a different expression for Winnie. And you can mix and match her however you want. You can put different hairstyles on her, different faces. Look at this. We did this one with a little bit of a darker skin color. This up here, look at, we used that cloud and we actually cut velvet out of that. So look at, this one is made to look like she's actually on stage. The sun down here, that's used as the spotlights on the stage. How beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Love her. Oh, and did you see the little crown on her head? Totally cool. Watch this. Ah, I love her. You can put cheeks on her with a little bit of marker. That's all we did there. I could go on and on and on with these. Watch. Look how pretty. This one I think is really cool too, because we've actually used 2 different colors of the brown for her hair, so she has highlights, ladies. How cute. I love it. I think this is probably one of my most favorite sets that we've done with Winnie. Paper piecing, paper dolls, whatever you want to call it. Delicious. Absolutely love it. Love it. Let me show you one more. I mean, all of these samples that I'm showing you, these are just incredible. Every single one of them is so different. They're all absolutely unique. I still have a ton more to show you. Wait until we get to the show. You're going to get to see everything there. Look how much fun. She's actually got like these little buns up in her hair so they look like ponytails. I mean, how cute is that? You get to play with this to your heart's content. It is such a blast. Guess what? We're going to do a giveaway. Sorry. I love these. I hope you can tell. I am just so excited about it. I'm going to try and hold up this paper here too. Oh my gosh. Let's see if I can get it. There we go. I'm telling you, it's a lot. Trying to get all this in 2 hands. I want you to tell me which one of these Winnies is your favorite. It could be the scenes. It could be this one, which is called Miss Pretty. How sweet. It could be this one here, A Gift for You, Puppy Princess, or the Scenic set. Which one is your favorite? Put that little note down below in the comments. And before we leave for the show, listen, I think I'm leaving on the 4th for the show. So on the 3rd, that's when we're going to post the winner. We're going to draw one winner from those comments below. You can also find this video is going to be on our Facebook group as well, so you can also put your comment there. We're going to check them all. Like I said, one winner. We're going to announce the winner. You're going to win all of this. All 4 of these die sets, the entire paper pack. We're going to announce the winner on the 4th, and when we get back from HSN, that's when we're going to ship it to you. So that's all you need to do, ladies. Just put your name down below. Make sure you mark your calendar for November 6th for the HSN shows, and keep a lookout. As soon as I know the times, we'll get those posted. Thanks so much. I will be back with sneak peek number 2 shortly. Bye, ladies.